beautiful.
And sexy?
No.
Huh? So, yan. Sabi niya kanina sa akin,
Mommy, can I eat
Mami,
some
bakit
Mom?
ang skinny mo dyan sa picture?
Mami?
Tinatanong ng anak ko kung sino daw tong babaeng nasa likod ko. Shout out sa iyo, Lola Jane. Ikaw talaga yung tinanong ni Marcos at saka ito daw lalaking to. Bakit daw nasa picture? Oh, wala lang, na-share ko lang. Hey kuya, what is your wish for mommy and daddy?
A new baby.
What?
I said a new baby. A new baby sister.
Oh. Aside from that, what else?
This is like that's your mouse. How come?
What else aside from baby?
You just said
Aside from having a new baby.
toys for the baby.